Hey guys, Raphie here, Preferred Plumbing. Back at it, gonna come into my warehouse here. Now my warehouse is as organized and clean as the front offices. Everything's nicely stacked on a shelf, organized. We got the workbench over there. We got one box out of line here. That's because we just took that sink out because we got a customer just called in with a broken sink, and I believe that is the replacement for it. But I'm gonna take you to the dirtiest, most disorganized part of our shop here. I'm gonna get the light on. It's upstairs in the second floor. And I'll show you why I'm gonna take you up here today. I'm taking you up here today because you know that I'm a big Flowtech guy. I talk about it all the time. Our Flowtech anti-scale system. Here's just some of this. This is a stack of boxes here. These are just some of the ones we put in. Not all of them. These are all empty. These are all empty. These have already been installed. These are good to go. Here's the user's manual. Here's how it works. Flowtech. Love the Flowtech, baby. Love it. And yeah, just showing you. You got to get one of these in your house. I'm telling you, like, it's, you know what? Water treatment companies don't like this. I want you to know that. Like, even if they watch this video, if one of the water treatment companies, one of the big ones out there, I'm not going to mention names right now, but if they watch this video, they would comment and say, oh, that's BS. Oh, that doesn't work. Oh, Flowtech doesn't work. Just put in a water softener. We've been using water softeners for years, for decades and decades, and it works. Don't change a good thing. I don't believe in this, nonsense. Little do they know, the Flowtech system is the world's best anti-scale system, sold and installed exclusively through licensed contractors. In my opinion, and in the opinion of thousands of contractors across the United States of America, this product is more effective, more efficient, and cheaper than a water softener. There's also no constant maintenance that a water softener has. Okay, people don't realize that. Now, these big water treatment companies hate it. Do you know why they hate it? And I hope they're watching this video. One, they got to go back to the drawing board. They got to go back to the science. They got to understand ionic exchange. They have to understand the physical ability of what salt does versus minerals in the water versus our RF frequency that travels through the water. They also have to understand that, let's be real. What are we talking about here, guys? What are we talking about? What are we talking about here? Are we worried that the science doesn't work? Or are we worried about this? Most of the revenue generated and collected, short-term and long-term, with water treatment companies is from residual income, meaning money that is made from customers. So let's say I'm a water treatment company. I knock on your door. I have a look. I test your water. It says you have hard water, which is true, by the way. That's true. Over 85% of North America suffer from hard water. So they're doing a good job. They're explaining to what the issue is. But you know how many companies will supply and install a water softener for you, put it in, say, don't worry about paying us, and you'll pay us a monthly fee, whatever it is, $29 a month, $50, $100, whatever it is. And for the rest of your life, you're paying that contract for them to maintain, upkeep that water softener. And as soon as they don't maintain it, or if you cancel your contract, or if you decide, oh no, I'm going to take care of my own water softener, the product doesn't work anymore. Now, these companies don't like guys like us because the product that we supply and install, our Flowtech product, is zero maintenance. We sell it to you one time. Here, it's even on our sign on the top here. We're exclusive Flowtech specialists. You see over here? Right over here. See that sign? That is the Flowtech symbol, okay? This is what we do. Now, the beauty of Flowtech is that there is no maintenance. You install it, we put it in, and then you can forget about it. It works 100% of the time. It's 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Once it's installed, it's constantly working and propagating the signal through your system. And what it's doing is it's putting the minerals back in solution instead of them precipitating out of solution. Okay, so we're not taking out the minerals, by the way, which is a good thing. A lot of people don't realize calcium and iron are two minerals you do not want to take out of your water. They've done studies in California, and they had lots of people that actually were showing negative health responses, negative health effects to their body because they had water softeners. If you have a water softener and you're drinking water without that iron and calcium, you're going to have an iron and calcium deficiency unless you're proactive about it. So we're not taking the minerals out. We're leaving the minerals in the water. We're rendering them harmless. And we're protecting your plumbing system. And again, you're going to look online. You're not going to see reviews about it because it's not a product you're going to go buy in Home Depot. We buy it through our certified supplier in the States. We are trained. We went to what's called water school with that company. And our technicians are trained to install it and test it. It needs to be tested. Otherwise, it's not working properly. And you pay for it once. And you install it, and it forever, it's like the gift that keeps on giving. And like I said, people don't like it. Other companies don't appreciate this because it's a big challenge, big obstacle, kind of a threat. It's almost a bit of a threat to their entire business model. So this is not why we're doing this, but I just want to let our customers and other prospective customers know